This video simulates an example of improvements that would transform an interstate highway into a multimodal corridor. Here we see a Westmoreland County commuter bus going from Greensburg towards Pittsburgh on US 30 near Forest Hills. The bus takes the ramp from US 30 to head inbound on the Parkway East. As the bus merges onto the parkway, however, it is able to access a bus-only ramp, diverting it away from congestion. And back onto I-376 in its own exclusive transit lane, built into the existing shoulder. To be even more effective, this Westmoreland County commuter bus is going to use Pittsburgh's pioneering bus rapid transit system, the Martin Luther King Jr. East Busway. A bus-only ramp directly connects Westmoreland's commuters with the busway. A simple stoplight allows the bus to cross local traffic and reach the busway station. Meanwhile, an outbound bus is able to use the system to access the parkway for a trip to Westmoreland County with its own set of shoulder-running, exclusive bus lanes and ramps. A multimodal corridor approach could add faster commuting options for hundreds of commuters each day, reducing congestion and improving the air for everyone. Learn more about SmartMoves connections at spcregion.org.